All right, good evening, geometry. We are doing lesson 4.6. I will try to send a typed copy of the notes to you tonight when I get home, but I want to get this recorded for you so you can kind of look at it and then you can go through the process. Now, we're going to talk about congruency in right triangles. Now, remember when we talk about right triangles, what do we remember? A right triangle has certain things, right? So what does a right triangle have that maybe other triangles don't have? So they have specific names to their sides, correct? So we have a right triangle, and we will ask Noah. Noah, in a right triangle we have one right angle. Good. Good job, Noah. Great job. Everybody in the class give him a loud applause. Yay, go Noah. Okay, so one right angle. Now, what else do we know about a right triangle? Across from the right angle we have what's called a hypotenuse. And so what are the other two called? They're called legs. Good. So, hypotenuse, legs, leg, right? So what we're going to do is I'm going to give you 4 ways to prove a right triangle is congruent. Okay, so right triangle is congruent. All right, we'll use symbols here, all right? Okay, so now, when we talked about two regular triangles, we talked about angle, side, 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 angle, side, and angle, side, angle. Okay, so here we go. I'll write them over here. Angle, side, angle, side, angle, side, side, side. Okay, so those are our 3 when it's regular triangles. Now, in a right triangle, we always have one right angle. So think about that, class. If you have one right angle, what do you always have? You always have an angle that is congruent, okay? So that's going to be important. That's remember that. Now, okay, so if I had 2 right triangles, I'm going to draw a second one, make sure you can see it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to give you 4 ways to prove that, okay? And we're going to use leg, hypotenuse, angle. So L-A-H are the combo of letters. So, for instance, think about it this way. Leg, angle, leg. Leg, angle, leg. Can you see one? Leg, angle, leg. Side, angle, side. So leg, leg. So in other words, LL. LL is the abbreviation. So if the 2 legs are congruent, then it's these 2 triangles are congruent because leg, angle, leg. Okay? Side, angle, side. Okay? Now, that's one. Another one would be angle or hypotenuse, leg or hypotenuse, angle, angle. So angle, angle, leg, or side. Angle, angle, side. HA, HA. So we have hypotenuse, angle, HA. Which one does that match with? So this one matches here, right? Which one does ha match with? Angle, angle, side, right? Angle, angle, side. Good. That one matches there. Good. Now, number 3. Number 3. If I give you a leg at an angle, so think about that. Angle, leg, angle. Angle, leg, angle. So leg, angle. So leg, angle. So now think about that. What does that match with? Angle, side, angle. Good. Or, what if I pick this angle up here? Leg, angle, angle. So angle, angle, side. So there's 2 options for this one, okay? There's 2 options for LA. Okay, so when you think about LA, one of the biggest cities in California, there's 2 options. It can either be angle, angle, side, or angle, side, angle. So basically what we're talking about is we're talking about 3 ways that we can prove right triangles are congruent, and yet think about it this way, that they all match up with the other 4 ways to prove a regular triangle is congruent. Now, the last one is hypotenuse leg. Now, think about that. And an angle. That would not match up. Does not match up. It does not match up. And why? Because it would not be, it remembers, it spells that word that we're not allowed to write on our papers. All right? So therefore, it doesn't match up. So when you're thinking about these four things, what you're going to be doing is you're going to look at them and say, okay, what are the four ways to prove right triangles? LL, HL, HA, LA. Which one matches up with two of the ways to prove regular triangles are congruent? It is LA. They match up with angle side and angle side angle. The LL matches up with side angle side. HA matches up with angle side angle, or angle side, but HL does not match up. So this one doesn't match with them, and this one doesn't match. So just keep that in mind. The two oddball ones that don't include angles are the ones that don't match up. So what you're going to do for homework, we're going to do it in class, and we'll do a practice problem together. You're going to identify these right triangles and prove these right triangles are congruent based on these three ways, these four ways. All right? Have a great night. See you later. Bye.